Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo and welcome to this video where we discuss a few very important words in the definition of food design thinking. There are quite a few very important words that are used very often within food design thinking and within the design discipline in general that are often confused with one another. And so because I will be using these words very often, and you will find them very often in the book also, it is very important to learn their definition and learn how to use them. There will be 3 videos with important words. The first 2 videos have words that apply to any design discipline. So I think this is a useful series of videos regardless of what you do within design. In this video, we'll go through the words process, methodology, method, tool, and technique. I'm sure you can already see how often they are misused and just switch with one another. So make sure you watch this video and make sure you watch the second and third part also to have a complete view of all of these very important words. A design process is basically what a designer does. Everything that happens in the creation of a product or service, from coming up with ideas to developing the design concept. A design process is made by different phases, and in each of those the designer uses a series of design methods. The methodology is the theories and principles behind all choices made in the design process. The choice of the type of process itself, the choice of the type and number of methods, the choice of tools and techniques for each method, the choice of participants and team members, the choice of location and timing, the choice of going back to a previous step or moving forward along the process, etc. A methodology is the theoretical analysis of such practical elements. A design method is a combination of tools and techniques that are strategically put together to address defining goals in precise moments in the design process. Tools are the material components that are used in a certain design method. For example, common tools of a design method for idea generation are pens and markers, glue and cardboard, post-its and whiteboards, etc. A technique is a sequence of activities the designer carries out in a certain method, using a collection of tools. A technique answers the question, when and how should this and that be done? Who should do this or that? How do we capture that, etc. In the next video, we will cover the words brief, proposition, idea, concept, and project.